100 Shocking Facts About the Human Body. Fact 1. Your body is made of stardust. Every atom of carbon, oxygen, and iron in you was forged in exploding stars. Fact 2. Humans share about 98.8% of their DNA with chimpanzees, our closest living relatives. Fact 3. We also share 60% of our DNA with bananas. Fact 4. If all the DNA in your cells were uncoiled, it would stretch to the sun and back over 600 times. Fact 5. Your gut contains more bacteria than human cells, making you more microbe than human. Fact 6. The human brain has about 86 billion neurons, more connections than stars in the Milky Way. Fact 7. The brain generates about 20 watts of electricity, enough to power a dim light bulb. Fact 8. During evolution, humans lost body hair but gained the ability to sweat more efficiently than almost any animal. Fact 9. Humans are one of the few species that can run long distances thanks to evolution, outpacing animals in endurance. Fact 10. Your tongue print is as unique as your fingerprint. Fact 11. The liver can regenerate up to 70% of itself if damaged. Fact 12. Your skin is your largest organ and sheds about 30,000 to 40,000 dead cells per minute. Fact 13. By the time you turn 70, you'll have lost around 105 pounds of skin. Fact 14. Your stomach produces a new lining every 3 to 4 days to avoid digesting itself. Fact 15. The acid in your stomach is strong enough to dissolve stainless steel. Fact 16. Babies are born with about 300 bones, but adults only have 2/6 as many fused together. Fact 17. The strongest muscle in proportion to size is the masseter, jaw muscle. Fact 18. Human bones are about 5 times stronger than steel of the same density. Fact 19. The smallest bone is in the ear, the stapes, only 3 millimeters long. Fact 20. If the human eye were a camera, it would be about 576 megapixels. Fact 21. You blink about 15 to 20 times per minute. Fact 22. Your eyes can distinguish about 10 million different colors. Fact 23. Your cornea has no blood vessels. Fact Chapter 4. Humans are the only animals with a white part of the eye, sclera, useful for communication. Fact 25. Your ears keep growing throughout your life. Fact 26. The average human produces about 25,000 quarts of saliva in a lifetime, enough to fill 2 swimming pools. Fact 27. Each person has a unique tongue bacteria community. Fact 28. Earwax comes in 2 types, wet and dry, depending on your genetics. Fact 29. Your body contains enough iron to make a 3-inch nail. Fact 30. Your blood makes up about 8% of your body weight. Fact 31. An adult human has about 100,000 kilometers of blood vessels, enough to circle Earth 2.5 times. Fact 32. The human heart beats around 3 billion times in an average lifetime. Fact 33. The left lung is slightly smaller than the right to make room for the heart. Fact 34. Your lungs contain about 300 million tiny air sacs called alveoli. Fact 35. If spread out, the surface area of your lungs could cover a tennis court. Fact 36. Blood travels about 12,000 miles in your body every day. Fact 37. Your kidneys filter around 50 gallons of blood daily. Fact 38. Humans can survive with only 1 kidney. Fact 39. Your bones are constantly being broken down and rebuilt. A full skeleton is replaced about every 10 years. Fact 40. Your fingernails grow about 3 times faster than your toenails. Fact 41. Keratin, the protein in your hair and nails, is the same found in rhino horns. Fact 42. Hair grows faster in the summer. Fact 43. Redheads require more anesthesia during surgery. Fact 44. The average human head has about 100,000 hair follicles. Fact 45. Blonde-haired people tend to have the most hair strands. Fact 46. The average lifespan of a human hair is 2 to 7 years. Fact 47. Goosebumps are a leftover evolutionary trait from when humans had more body hair. Fact 48. Humans can make over 7,000 facial expressions. Fact 49. Your nose can detect over 1 trillion different scents. Fact 50. Smell is strongly tied to memory, more than any other sense. Fact 51. Babies are born with the instinct to swim. Fact 52. Newborns can recognize their mother's voice within days. Fact 53. The human brain is not fully developed until around age 25. Fact 54. Your prefrontal cortex, decision-making area, is the last to mature. Fact 55. Sleep is essential. You spend about 1/3 of your life sleeping. Fact 56. Dreams can last from a few seconds to over an hour. Fact 57. Humans are the only species that blush. Fact 58. Laughter boosts your immune system. Fact 59. Crying releases stress hormones from your body. Fact 60. Your body has an internal clock called the circadian rhythm. Fact 61. Humans are bioluminescent. We glow faintly, but it's invisible to the naked eye. Fact 62. Human evolution gave us opposable thumbs, enabling tool use. Fact 63. The appendix may play a role in storing good gut bacteria. Fact 64. Wisdom teeth are evolutionary leftovers. Fact 65. Goosebumps and shivers helped early humans stay warm. Fact 66. Our coccyx, tailbone, is a remnant of a tail. Fact 67. Humans lost most of their body hair, but gained sweat glands for cooling. Fact 68. Evolution shaped humans into excellent long-distance runners. Fact 69. Your brain shrank slightly compared to early humans, but efficiency improved. Fact 70. Language is the most unique evolutionary trait of humans. Fact 71. Your immune system remembers past infections. Fact 72. White blood cells live only a few days. Fact 73. Antibodies are tiny Y-shaped proteins that fight disease. Fact 74. The human body contains about 37 trillion cells. Fact 75. Each second, your body produces 25 million new cells. Fact 76. In just one day, about 50 to 70 billion cells die in your body. Fact 77. Humans can survive without food for weeks, but only about 3-4 days without water. Fact 78. Your sense of taste weakens as you age. Fact 79. Taste buds only live for about 10 days. Fact 80. There are 5 main tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. Fact 81. Your skeleton makes new blood cells in bone marrow. Fact 82. Your pancreas produces insulin to control blood sugar. Fact 83. The spleen filters blood and stores white blood cells. Fact 84. Adrenal glands release adrenaline when you're scared. Fact 85. Humans can survive decapitation briefly for a few seconds. Fact 86. Your heartbeat syncs with the music you listen to. Fact 87. The placebo effect shows your brain can heal the body. Fact 88. Stress can literally shrink your brain. Fact 89. Meditation thickens the brain's gray matter. Fact 90. The brain consumes 20% of the body's energy, while being only 2% of body weight. Fact 91. A human sneeze can travel up to 100 microbiome. Fact 92. Your cough can expel air at 60 microbiome. Fact 93. Humans can hold their breath for up to 11 minutes, world record. Fact 94. Hiccups are evolutionary leftovers from our amphibian ancestors. Fact 95. Yawning helps cool the brain. Fact 96. Humans are the only animals that cook food. Fact 97. Cooking helped human brains grow larger during evolution. Fact 98. Writing is a skill only humans developed. Fact 99. The average adult speaks about 16,000 words a day. Fact 100. Your body is a living time capsule of evolution. Every cell carries the story of 4 billion years of life on Earth. If even one of these facts blew your mind, imagine how many your friends don't know yet. Share this video, drop your favorite fact in the comments, and let's spread curiosity together. Stay curious.